Gonna do? Stop.
But I'm going to Clifford.
Santa Claus. What's that doctor gonna do? He's gonna what? Put needles where?
By my butt.
Why? Is it gonna hurt?
Like
Why?
Granny does.
Like Granny does? Why is he gonna put needles in your butt? Is he gonna give you a shot? Why is he giving you a shot? Did you choke?
Like,
Why is the doctor giving you a shot?
good. I want to get a shot. But needles in my butt. Look at this, Christian. Look at this. Look at this.
How bad is it gonna hurt?
Look at this, Christian. Look at this, Christian. Ah! To get me. Oh, Martha! 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 Martha right there.
Oh!
Let you get there.
He gonna get me.
He did. Said, oh, this is Monster again. This is Monster again.
What's his name?
Monster. What the Monster gave me? Bad Monster. Bad Monster. Oh, that Monster.
Where'd that monster come from?
I Granny's house.
Okay.
Granny's house.
Came from Granny's house? Where'd you get your curls at?
What?
Where'd you get your curls?
And a store.
What store?
My Granny's store.
Your Granny store? Granny has a store?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Come, my man. To my man.
It's called My Man's.
Then my man.
It's your man's? Who's your man? Who's your boyfriend?
Then my dad.
This some long noodles.
Ah,
You want me to cut them?
no.
You gonna eat them like that?
Mine's good here.
Is that monster gonna get you tonight?
Oh, son. Come on, son. Question. You fix yourself.
Yeah. Where's your tub?
I'm not upstairs.
In your bedroom?
No.
Okay.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? You want me to stop recording you?
Ah.
You want me to stop recording you? You want me to turn the camera off? Why?
Cause,
Cause why?
camera.
You don't like the camera? Why not?
Cause
Cause why? Cause why?
Oh, nothing's gonna get me.
Cause the monster's gonna get you. What are you eating, Jen? What are you eating?
Blowing.
I got it. I turned it off.
No, it's blowing in.
Mm-mm. No.
And
You lying.
it is blowing.
I know, I see it. I already turned it off.
But it didn't.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna blow again.
Tell everybody bye. Say bye, people.
Bye, people.